Welcome to yet another video on a dealer's cockpit. Today I have to show you something very important. Why we call the F-16 Fighting Falcon a very difficult model aircraft to make. Come on, I'll show you. Come over here. The F-16 is over here with the Lancer. Over here you can see that the cuts of the F-16s are extremely difficult to model or replicate. Over here you can see again the conical front of the F-16 and the canopy, and the fuselage of F-16 requires a lot of precision, a lot of curve and a lot of expertise to make. You can see over here, now this is, if you see that this aircraft, this F-16 and this F-16 is different from the F-16 that we know of. These are called as the CFTs. This is block 5052 with the CFTs, which is conformal fuel tanks, and these are the F-16s which can carry more fuel in case they have to meet a specific mission requirement. So these are called as the CFTs, and the CFTs can even come out. So these can be added on and these can be taken off. So in order not to compromise the aerodynamics, they have been made in such a way that they introduce minimum drag on the aircraft when they are on the shoulders of the jet. Again, you see the same conformal fuel tanks, but these CFTs have been placed over here in order to compensate for the second seat which has been added over here. This is the block D model, block 52D model, F-16D. So when they introduce another pilot at the back, which is basically for the training mission, but it can also be for the ground attack role as well, the internal fuel capacity of the aircraft gets compromised. That's one of the reasons why they would add conformal fuel tanks to the D model of block 52. So that's the reason why the shape of F-16D with the conformal fuel tanks is always different from the normal F-16 that we can look at. So you'll see this design feature over here without the conformal fuel tanks and with the CFTs. F-16D with the CFTs, normal F-16 without the CFTs. This one looks a lot better, really. This has got more maneuverability. This normally you will not see the CFTs in the normal air shows because the maneuverability of the aircraft gets compromised. It is not as maneuverable as a clean F-16. So that even you should note one thing, that whenever an F-16 is performing in an air show, it will be performing in the air show without the drop tanks, without anything attached to it. This is what we call as a clean aircraft. So a clean aircraft is an aircraft which has got nothing on it, bare minimums and maximum maneuverability, maximum rate of turn, maximum rate of climb. So this is what a clean aircraft is, and that's one of the reasons why in all the air shows you will find this tank is also not fitted over there. In all the air shows you are going to find an F-16 that is pretty clean without any drag attached to it.